So check it out. It's going through the archives this evening, sorting through my locomotive, seeing what I've got, and came across this little guy. Realized it was the first Commodore Vanderbilt that I ever bought. I bought it back in the 80s. I'd never seen one before, so it really piqued my interest. I think I bought it more out of curiosity than anything else. It was owned by a Dr. Elton here in Corning, New York, and he was retiring and moving to Florida, and I'm sure he's probably with the Lord by now. But anyway, it came with 5 passenger cars. The last one was an observation car that had a little red light on it, which I thought was pretty cool. So I got it out tonight and I cleaned it up. I used some McGuires car wax to bring out a little bit of the finish. The finish is a little rough, but that's okay. I'm going to leave it as is out of nostalgia. And it was, like I said, it was the first one that I ever bought. And I put some new motor brushes in it, and of course that will cure quite a few ills, especially if you want your locomotives to be able to run slower. The easiest way to do it is put a new set of brushes in it. So we're going to take it for a spin, and I've got about 11 cars behind it now, and I've bought quite a few more of these little 6-inch passenger cars. I really like them, so here we go. See, with new motor brushes, you don't have to run them at ludicrous speed. They'll run slow. You can buy them for, I don't know, a couple dollars a pair. So anytime I order from Grossman, or sometimes I'll find them on eBay, I'll pick them up. All right, still runs great, especially with the new brushes. And I think I'm going to put this set aside so that I know right where it is. I like to get it out once in a while and run it just for old time's sake, and remember where I started from. And still have a lot more to learn, but just happy to have these little sets like this. They're made back in the late 30s. It's just awesome the way Marx put quality into these, and they run forever. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.